Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones and taking a closer look at the iQOO Z9 5G. While this phone offers some interesting features, there are some drawbacks you should know about before making a purchase. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about software updates. Unfortunately, the iQOO Z9 5G only promises 2 major Android updates. This means you might miss out on the latest features and security enhancements in the long run. 2. Next, the iQOO Z9 5G misses out on an ultra-wide camera. This could be a deal-breaker for photography enthusiasts who rely on wide-angle shots for capturing more expansive scenes. 3. Another downside is the abundance of pre-installed apps on the device. While some of these apps may be useful, others could clutter up your phone and consume valuable storage space. 4. In terms of design, the iQOO Z9 5G doesn't stand out much in a segment that's filled with stylish options like the Realme 12 Plus, Realme Narzo 70 Pro, and Redmi Note 13. Its design might not turn heads like its competitors. 5. The iQOO Z9 5G uses UFS 2.2 storage, which is slower compared to the UFS 3.1 storage used in some other devices. This could result in slower app load times and file transfers. 6. Furthermore, the frame and rear panel of the iQOO Z9 5G are made of plastic, giving it a less premium look compared to competitors like the Moto G84 and Realme 12 Plus 5G, which come with a vegan leather back panel. 7. Lastly, there have been reports of issues with the adaptive refresh rate on the iQOO Z9 5G. This could lead to inconsistent performance and detract from the overall user experience. So, there you have it, folks. 7 reasons why you might want to think twice before buying the iQOO Z9 5G. While it does offer some compelling features, these drawbacks are definitely worth considering before making a decision. As always, weigh the pros and cons carefully to find the best phone for your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and discussions. See you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned.